Hey! Have you ever wished someone would just hand you $100,000 and say, go trade it? Like, for real? Well, guess what? That's actually a thing. Today, Dudu teaches you everything about what is a prop firm. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what a prop firm is, how it works, how to get funded, and how real traders are using prop firms to grow their accounts without risking their own savings. Let's go! Okay, so imagine this. You love basketball. You're really good at basketball. But you don't have enough money to buy the sneakers, the court time, the gear, none of it. Then one day, a rich coach walks up to you and says, "Hey, I watched you play. You're talented. Here's everything you need. I'll cover all the costs. You just play and win. We split the profits." That coach? That's a prop firm. Prop firm is short for proprietary trading firm. Dudu explains. A prop firm is a company that gives traders, people like you, their money to trade with. You trade their capital, and when you make profits, you keep a big percentage of those profits. We're talking sometimes 70, 80, even 90% going straight into your pocket. Honey, that's how it works. The firm makes money because they get a small cut of your wins. You make money because you get to trade with way more than you could ever afford on your own. Nobody's handing out free money, though. You have to prove yourself first by passing a challenge. But don't worry, Dudu's going to walk you through all of that. Easy peasy. All right, let's make this super real. Let's talk about gold. Exhausty. You've heard of gold, right? One of the most popular markets to trade. So imagine you pass a prop firm challenge, and they give you a $100,000 funded account. You do your analysis. You see gold is sitting around $2,300 per ounce, and you believe it's going up. You open a buy trade. Traders call this going long. You risk 1% of the account, which is $1,000, just like the prop firm's rules say. Gold moves up, hits your target, and you make $2,000 profit on that one trade. Now here's the beautiful part. If your profit split is 80%, you keep $1,600 from that single trade. One trade, on someone else's money. Bear with me on this one. Now, imagine doing that consistently across a week. That's the power of a funded account. And the best part? If the trade went wrong and you lost, it's the firm's capital on the line. Not your rent money, not your savings, not your lunch budget. So how do you actually get started with a prop firm? First, do your research and pick a reputable prop firm. Some popular ones that traders love include FTMO, My Forex Funds, and the Funded Trader. Look at their rules, their fees, their profit splits, and their reputation online. Second, sign up and pay for a challenge. Most prop firms have an evaluation process, usually called a challenge or assessment, where you trade a demo account and prove you can follow rules and manage risk. The fee is usually somewhere between $50 to $500, depending on the account size you're going for. Third, pass the challenge by hitting a profit target, usually around 8 to 10%, without breaking the rules. The biggest rules are, don't lose more than a certain amount in a day, don't blow the whole account, and always use proper risk management. Fourth, once you pass, you get your funded account, and you start trading real capital. Dudu got you. It really is that straightforward when you break it down. Now listen up, because Dudu's pro tips are coming in hot. Tip 1. Treat the challenge like it's already your funded account. Traders who rush and try to pass fast almost always fail. Slow and steady wins the honey jar on this one. Tip 2. Risk management is everything. Never risk more than 1 or 2% per trade. Prop firms will cut you off if you break the daily loss rules, so protect that account like it's your baby. Tip 3. Start small. Pick the smallest account size for your first challenge. Get the experience, build your confidence, then scale up. There's no shame in starting with a $10,000 challenge before going for the big ones. So to wrap it all up, a prop firm gives you access to serious trading capital without needing to have serious money yourself. And when you profit, you keep most of it. It's one of the smartest ways for a skilled trader to level up fast. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to Dudu Trades and never miss a lesson. See you in the next one.